Hello everyone and welcome back to channel. You are watching MJ Sport. Today I will share with you that how we can delete our Facebook account permanently. So first of all, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe to my channel. We have to go to our Facebook app and then we have to go to main menu of our Facebook app. Then for deleting our account we have to click on setting and privacy, and after clicking on this we have to click setting, and then we have to choose. These are a lot of settings. We have to choose first one, personal and account information, and then after we have to click on account ownership and control, the last one. And then when we click on it, and now we have to click on deactivation and deletion, and after clicking on this they are asking whether you want to deactivate your account or delete account. We have to click on delete account and then click on continue to account deletion. And when we click on this they are asking why you want to delete your account. You can choose anything. I am choosing that I spend too much time on Facebook, and then you have to click on continue to account deletion, and then you have to click on this delete account. And after clicking on this they are asking your Facebook account password. You have to write here your password, your ID password, and then click on continue. And here they are confirming that you really want to delete your account. After deleting your account you have 30 days to return to your account. So here we have to click on delete account, and after clicking on this will take few seconds, and then our account will be deleted. And now they are saying that your account session is expired and our account has been deleted. So if you like my video, please share it with others, and thanks for watching.